Hey guys, I just wanted to share with you this USA Nooks microfiber cleaning cloth pack of 12. I just ordered another set on Amazon because I'm using these so much around the house. If you've seen any of my other videos, I make a vinegar and water solution and I put that into some spray bottles, and then I use these microfiber cleaning cloths as my all-purpose cleaning rags. These are great for cleaning the bathroom, the kitchen, even the floor. There's something about these specifically that makes it so easy to scrub stuff off of the countertops, so I definitely highly recommend these. This is what they come like. Let me open them up for you. All right, and then they come in a variety of different colors and pack sizes. I found that 12 was good, but then I realized I actually needed more. So next time I probably would have ordered even more than just 12, but this is how big they are. And just as you can see, like, look how thick and quality that these are. So check out the link in my description if you're looking for a really great microfiber cleaning cloth that you can purchase in a pack like this. And like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.